I definitely think you need free pictures, free banners, and free videos completely done for you. 100% ready to go, where you can upload these marketing materials to your favorite social media platforms. Most people like TikTok, Instagram, of course, Facebook, YouTube, Threads, Twitter, or X marks the spot, right? Also, email campaigns. All right. Do you like to do emails? Because if you do, you have to do them properly so that you don't get your capture page shut off by Save Club. Okay. Now, if you don't know what that means and you haven't even joined a Save Club yet, let me show you how you can climb aboard this freight train. And then I want to show you how to market properly to where, number one, you'll get signups, you get people interested in what you're doing, but you don't want to be shut off by Save Club due to their policies. Okay, so let me shrink myself up here. Now these two links, these are my money things. All right, my license to print money, they seem to work. Okay, so when you go to ilovesaveclub.com, this will lead you right here, and this is a capture page. You get $60. You get this full-blown website. This page is awesome because a lot of your recruiting is going to be done by videos already made. So if you don't want to do any videos, don't worry about it. We've already got a ton made. And if you join my team, you're going to have pictures and animated the GIFs and video that you can upload and use. They're all neutral. They all promote Save Club. All you got to do is just direct people to click your link, okay? This is an awesome web page, okay? You just put all of your information right below where I'm pointing. First name, last name, put that info in and then click this orange button. You're going to get an email and open up the Save Club email and you can join from there, or you're going to get information. Every single day you'll get one email. Pardon my voice here. You'll get one email from the company and they're great. If you're going to join, please keep all the emails. There's 30 of them. And you can learn a lot from them, and you can use them if you're going to pay for traffic, pay for leads, pay for clicks. But you can't send them to this page, what I'm showing you right now. And that's important. So if you're going to go ahead and join and not use any type of paid traffic, then you can just do the simple thing what I do. Join for $60, the $19.97. So for $79.97, you are now a part of Save Club, and you can save your butt off on things that you're probably already buying. You'll probably save $50, $100, $150 a month or more, if not $1,000 for the year, just by paying $19.97. But it's awesome to know that for $60 you got one badass website. But you can't put paid traffic directly to this page. Now, how can you do it with ethical, policy endorsed, high five, no problem results? How do you do it? Well, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to go ahead and have you click this one too. Because with a funnel system, it will filter out all the scam and the spam and all the bots and all the fakeness that buy-in leads or clicks always come with. You can buy, let's say, 10,000 clicks or leads, and you know darn well there's going to be a lot of them that are just fake and yuck. But a funnel system will get rid of all that. So it won't hit the Save Club servers to where they're going to shut you off. A lot of people like to pay for traffic because they don't want to do videos like I'm doing. They don't have time to post on social media or answer emails or go on, let's say, Facebook and answer inbox messages. I do. I'm a big fan of doing everything that I just mentioned. But if you're not that person, don't worry about it. And if you're going to go buy some clicks or traffic, then this is what you need to do. Save Club funnels. Click this, and if you're not in Save Club, it'll direct you to sign up with Save Club first, and then we're going to set up your funnel. It only takes like 10-15 minutes. It's easy. My friend Mike, he does a little setup video. Just hit play, pause after 20 seconds, and then just do exactly what he says. Basically, setting up the funnel is just getting your link from Save Club and entering it in a couple places and hitting save. Very easy. Now, this is what it looks like. This is your capture page if you want to use the funnel system. People are going to put in their email right here. So let's all rock at gmail.com. Show me the video. And there it is. This is a 20-minute video that goes into full extreme detail about Save Club. I love it because if you're not going to do video like I told you, like this, and you're not going to do live Zoom meetings, and you might have a full life, a full career where you like your job, but you want extra income. Or you can be stay-at-home mom, dad. Maybe you're in college. Maybe you're just 18 and 1 minute old because you have to be 18 to do Save Club. I'm jealous. Boy, if you're 18 and you're watching my video, please don't screw off and just try to go to parties and then take 2 years of some type of general ed thing and then go, okay, now I'm going to get an education, $50,000 bill. And when you get out of college, you're not guaranteed nothing. You're going to have to compete against people like me. I'm a lot older, but I'm street smart and I'm full throttle. All right, those college kids back in my age group, I just rolled right over them. They were pissing and moaning and not getting up until 3 p.m. after parties. I believe in hard work. I like to work, but I like when online video do all the heavy lifting for me so I can sit here and just make some videos, have a nice lunch, have a nice drink, and just upload, let's just say, content that just gets you to click a link. And in this case, ilovesaveclub.com or Save Club Funnels with an S, saveclubfunnels.com. You hit this button and just watch for 20 minutes as it explains in massive detail Save Club, including the comp plan, how you get paid. And then if you like what you see, you can join Save Club if you're not already in it, or hit this red button that says Get This Web Funnel Now. Here's another video, and it's a setup video too. Just watch it. Just watch it. And after you sign up for the funnel system, I send you a direct link to the video. It's a setup video, just in case you get lost and you just close all these folders up and you forget to watch the setup video. Don't worry about it. I got your back. Now, if you want the funnel, it's $25 plus team training. Do you see this? Now read. Get access to our team-only training. We have 2 full-blown Facebook websites. They're massive. All of the top leaders in Save Club belong to it, and we all put content, pictures, banners, videos already made. All you got to do is click a link, and boom, it's right there. And you can download all of this on your home computer or on your cell phone or laptop. That's what I recommend. Download it all so you own it. And then go ahead and play around with it. Upload all of it. Don't save it and upload one thing a day. You know, I'm uploading about 10, 15 videos a day just on TikTok, Instagram, all the things I can't stand. I don't do any of those apps, but I go ahead and just upload content to it. And it gets me signups. I'll show you some results here in a minute. But it's important. You're going to get the funnel codes. And what that means is you just put some codes in if you want to do, like, let's say GetResponse or Aweber. If you want to do your own auto-responding this or that. And it's up to you. But here's the most important. You're going to get images for social media and done for you videos for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Reels, Stories, and more. That's what I can bring to the table. A real nice group of people that kick ass. That's all I can say. I think that you really need to belong to something when you join Save Club. Otherwise, you're going to get lost. You're going to be kind of sitting in your room or maybe at your kitchen table coming up with ideas, and then life gets in the way. Maybe your kids come home, or you got a headache, or you have to go to work, or you have to go to bed. A lot of things can really trip up your creativity, and I get it. I have ADD. I got like 10 things going on in this little peanut underneath my 7-Up cap. But I like teamwork. I like belonging to a team, especially when you're on the Save Club team, and especially when you're in my group. I want you to get this funnel, especially if you have no experience, or if you think you're going to hit a roadblock, even though you haven't yet. Let's just get this funnel system going now. All right. Join HBA. It's $25 a month. All you got to do is just try it for 1 month. And if you get the results I do, and you can see I get 3 pre-enrollees, let's see, back on Monday. I had 9 on Tuesday. Let's see, 4 yesterday. And then look at this. Already before noon, I got 4 people pre-enrolled, and another person's already upgraded. And I can thank my funnel system because this video, it explains Save Club so much better than even the normal one that you get for $60. But no doubt about it, this page is awesome. I've signed up a lot of people by using this exact web page right here. But over the last week, I can tell it does a great job for me. It just over explains in massive detail Save Club. And if you have any questions, just repeat the video and watch. And when people find out that when you get the funnel, you have access, invite only, to 2 Facebook groups, and you get pictures and video and everything else, it's a good feeling. And for $25, it is the best funnel. You know, the biggest ClickFunnels page is about $100 to $200 a month. And it's a great funnel system. I have nothing against ClickFunnels, but our funnel system does everything ClickFunnels does, except it's $25 versus $200 a month. Statistics. All I can do is just show you my results. This is a live screen. I don't edit. I don't have screenshots. All I can do is show you the leaderboard. I'm doing pretty good. You can see I'm tied with 7th place with, is it Cedric? All right. Well, anyway, I'm in the top 10 worldwide out of thousands and thousands of people that have signed up somehow with my routine, the thing that I do. All I can tell you is it's working right now as of May 22nd. Now, in 8 days, this is going to be interesting because more public and more advertising is going to go out for the public. You might see influencers. You might see some celebrities. We could be on Fox News. We could have like maybe Joe Rogan talk about our stuff, or maybe Olympians. Because in the other company that brought me into this, Live Good, you can see some of my products on the mini fridge, those white containers. This is a similar situation. It's a similar website. It really is. That's why I joined Save Club, because I've done really well with Live Good. And with my funnel system, you know, I've signed up I've signed up 5 people in Live Good just in the last week or 2, all with a funnel system. Everything I do is just funnel. I'll try to see if I can bring in my screen results. Normally I try to just streamline just Save Club, but I'll show you Live Good. And if you look at this website and compare Save Club, you can tell it's the same website, same credit card processing, same philosophy, and the same simplicity. It's just really simple, and I love that. And when it comes down to statistics, all I can do is just show you right here. Let's see, today is what, May 3rd? Yeah, there you go. See right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had 5 people sign up. I'll have well over 500, 600, 700. I should do very well using a funnel system, just like I am in Save Club. And you can see on the leaderboard, out of 2 million people, by gosh almighty, your boy here in the 7-Up cap, you can see I'm number 29 in the world with 422 people signed up. So I want to do the same thing with Save Club. I want to do the same thing, except I think Save Club is easier. I really do, because you're saving money on things you're already buying. With Live Good, they're really good, healthy products for wholesale, but you got to go out of your way to want to lose weight and maintain your blood pressure or your diabetes or just be in shape. And Live Good has signed up 2 million people in 200 countries in 2 years. That's outstanding. I actually think this is going to have similar results. I really do. And I think this is a lot easier for you guys. So if you're in Live Good and you kind of stalled, look into the funnel system, and you definitely need to get into Save Club. But right now, where Live Good, most people that made the bigger money, they joined within 30 to 45 days of when they actually kicked off December 13th of 2022. Well, right now, we're barely a month old. So if you're watching me right now, as of May 22nd, we are 8 days before this is even out of pre-launch mode. So if you are into affiliate marketing or you're looking to join as an affiliate, you need to join now. Do your research. Go ahead, look at YouTube videos, look at other people that might be advertising Save Club. But if you want to join my club, I'm going to go ahead and send you a nice email. I want you to join my club because I'm going to show you free images. I want you to belong to our groups. I want you to have videos already made that you can use. You just upload them and then put your link. In my case, everything I do is based upon these links right here. These are my babies. These are my money machines. They're my moolah makers, okay? I love saveclub.com. That's what I want you to do. Just go ahead and love it. Put some love on that thing. Then spank its bum. All right, give it a hug and then pinch its little butt cheeks, okay? And then with Save Club funnels, like I said, if you're already in Save Club and you're stalled a little bit, let's get you a funnel system. Let's get you into 2 exclusive groups on Facebook put together by the biggest leaders in Save Club, including myself. All right, I can bring a lot to the table now. I've learned a lot in 2 years. So let's have some fun. We'll keep things simple. If you need me, you can see my email. I'm not shy. I'll definitely get back to you. You're not bugging me, guys. When people say that they're busy and it's a turnkey world and automate this and automate that, I could give a rat's ass about that. I want you to know that if you do save a club with me, I want to be able to provide as much support as I can. And there's also support at saveclub.com too, because we accept cryptocurrency, obviously banks, Visa. You just configure your bank here if you live in America. But cryptocurrency, it's a legit currency. And everyone around the world, they want to join Save Club using crypto. So I pay out. I know we have e-wallet and some other opportunities to pay, especially over in Asian areas like China, Malaysia, Japan. Everybody has their favorite way of paying. Obviously in America, Visa, MasterCard, Discover Card. Those are some big boys, right? All right, those are some great companies. All right, those are my 2 links. And I guess my 15 minutes is up by a minute. I always go over. I'm sorry, guys. Whenever I do these 15-minute little webinar, these are like little mini webinars. I always go over my allotted time. But that's okay. I got nothing but time to help you guys. I love doing these videos and helping you out. I love saveclub.com, Save Club Funnels. That's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and dig these $9 glasses I got at Walmart. Man, I'm looking dead sexy, and you can too. And we're going to save some money, even on cheap glasses, because Walmart is a part of Save Club as well. All right, you guys take care. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Don't be shy. Take care, guys.